Assalamu alaikum. Hello and warm welcome to all of you. Dear students, today I am here with the second part of Geography chapter number 4, Climate. In the previous lecture, we had discussed two important terms, climate and weather. Even we had discussed that variation in climatic condition are found in our country, especially due to two important elements, temperature and precipitation. They are vary from place to place and season to season. In general, coastal area experience less rainfall in temperature. Even seasonal contrasts are more in interior part of the country. These variations have given rise to variety in lives of people due to the variation in temperature and precipitation. It affects the lifestyle of the people. It affects the food eaten by the people, and even it affects the clothes people wear. Students, at the time of watching lecture, you are requested to open your textbook. On page number 27, in Find Out, three questions are given. First is, why the houses in Rajasthan have thick walls and flat roofs? Houses of Rajasthan have thick walls and flat roofs because thick wall prevent heat entering into houses. That is the reason. That's why they have thick walls and flat roof. Number 2, why is that the houses in Tarai region and Goa and Mangalore are sloping roofs? Students, these are the region of heavy rainfall. So due to the sloping roofs, the rainwater easily pass away from the roof. Number 3, why houses in Assam are built on stilts, on higher part, on pole or on platform? Why they build their houses on platform? Friends, you know that eastern part of our country receive highest amount of rainfall, and it is the region regularly experience flood. So to protect their houses from flood water, they built their houses on stilts. Now today we are going to discuss factors affecting the climate of any place. There are 6 elements which control the climate of any place. Number 1, latitude. 2, altitude, pressure and wind system. Number 4, distance from the sea. It is known as continentality. Number 5, ocean current. And number 6, relief feature. So here you have to keep in mind, these are the 6 factors which affect the climate of any place. First, latitude. Due to the curvature of the earth, the amount of solar energy received varies according to latitude. It means that nearby area of equator receive more amount of solar energy in comparison to pole region. As a result, air temperature generally decrease from equator towards the pole. That's why air temperature actually decreasing from equator to pole. Why? Because nearby area of equator receive more amount of solar energy. So we can say that near to equator region air temperature is high, while far away from equator near to pole region temperature is comparatively low. Number 2, altitude. As one goes from the surface of the earth to higher altitude, altitude means height, the atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature decreases. The person who is going to higher altitude than the surface of the earth, so atmosphere become less dense and temperature decrease. So this is the reason the hills are cooler during summer. In summer, the temperature of the surface is too hot, while the hilly region experience cooler temperature during the summer due to the altitude, due to the height. Number 3, the pressure and wind system. The pressure and wind system depend on the latitude and altitude of the place. Due to this, it affects the temperature and rainfall pattern of an area. Pressure and wind system, it depends on latitude and altitude. So as we discussed in first and second element, we discussed that nearby area of equator getting more amount of solar energy, so high temperature is there. And we also discussed as one goes from surface of the earth to higher altitude, temperature decrease. So pressure and wind system of an area is depend on latitude and altitude. Number 4, distance from the sea. Nearby sea region experience moderate influence of the climate, but as one goes far away from sea, means as distance from sea increase, temperature increase. As distance from sea increase, means person is going away, far away from the sea, so temperature increases. So you have to keep in mind, nearby area of the sea region, coastal area, experience moderate temperature, but interior part of the country, the area far away from sea and coastal region, experience higher temperature. So as the distance from the sea increase, moderating influence decrease, and people experience extreme weather condition. It is known as continentality. You have to keep in mind, distance from sea decrease, temperature increase. Distance from sea increase, temperature increase. And this is known as continentality. Means very hot during summer and very cold during winter. As I explain you, nearby sea region, coastal region experience moderate influence of climate, but interior part of the country experience hot, very hot during summer and very cold during winter. So this is known as continentality. Number 5, ocean current. Ocean current along with onshore wind affect the climate of coastal area. Onshore means into the direction of ocean. So any coastal area with warm current, it experience warm climatic condition due to the warm current. Any coastal area with cold current experience cool climatic condition due to the cold wind. If ocean current along the direction of the sea are work, so coastal region experience warm climatic condition. If the ocean current along the direction of sea are cooler, coastal region, sea region experience cool atmospheric, cool climatic condition. Number 6, relief features. Relief features also play very important role in deciding the climatic condition of any place. Different relief features are there. Mountainous region are there, flat region are there, hilly region are there. So in different relief feature, climatic condition experience differently. So here, that's why high mountain act as a barrier for cold or hot wind. They may cause precipitation if they are high enough and lie in the path of rain-bearing winds. The leeward side of mountain remain relatively dry. Here you have to keep in mind, as per the different relief features, place experience different climatic condition. High mountain act as a barrier for cold or hot wind, and sometimes it results into precipitation, rainfall in the area of rain-bearing winds. So one side of the mountain receive high rainfall, but the leeward side, opposite side of the wind receive less rainfall. So students, you have to keep in mind there are 6 elements which determining the climatic condition of any place: latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system of an area, distance from the sea. It is known as continentality, means very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Number 5, ocean current. And number 6, relief features. With this, I would like to conclude my today's lecture. Inshallah, we will meet again very soon with a new part of same chapter. Allah Hafiz.